because, oh, wow, the sun turned up right
We
there.
are in Cococay in the Bahamas. It's a beautiful day out there, another day, and the icon of the sea. This is our last stop.
Perfect day here in Cococay. We just came out in the shade and now the sun is real hot.
Yes, so we just got off the ship. There's another ship over there, and
Independence of
that's
the
our
Seas.
ship right there. So it's two Royal Caribbean ships.
This is a
Dock
Royal
right
Caribbean.
here.
This is Royal Caribbean private islands.
We're looking forward to have the perfect day in Cococay. So stay tuned, keep watching. This is one of the stops that we were anticipating to stop.
They're just in phase one when we came the last
Yes.
time, so now.
But now they're finished. So yeah, we are excited to be back here again. So this is the island that we're on right now. And this is the map to take you wherever you want to go. Okay, we're going to Trill Island. So this is a water park made out of a boat. It's beautiful over here. A lot of activities. Over there. So we walk from all the way over there to come over here. There are different areas on the island over here, but we're at the beach right now. Shopping area, people are getting their ear braided. You can buy your souvenirs. Another part of the beach. So beautiful, ship over there. Jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Whatever. Whatever.
Boy, the water is nice down here.
Look on the other side.
So they went under the bridge, guys. walking towards the beach now. I was just at the pool bar. Now I'm walking towards the beach. It is so beautiful over here. They did a good job fixing up this place. Have multiple bars on the property, on the beach. It's a little bit kind of empty right now because this is later in the afternoon because we were on the other side of the beach, but we just came around this area and a lot of people already went back to their ship. These are the cabanas. Beautiful over here. This is so beautiful. So all the water sports, bikes over there. They did an amazing job fixing up over here. The water is so calm. Guys, let me tell you this. You work hard, you play hard. You can't be working every day and not taking a vacation. Tomorrow is not promising to anybody. So take some time out of your busy schedule and take a vacation. It's worth it. Our body needs it. We can't be working all day and not enjoying ourselves. There is another bar over there. What's Jamaican over there, so see, you could play games over here, the volleyball net. That's the tramp right there. You could take the tram to go back to the ship. This is where you would come if you want to take the tram. This is such a beauty. Few things are here for the kids to do, the grown-ups to do. See a lot of activities, bowling. They did an amazing job fixing up this place. So many things over here to do, guys. So many things. As I said, it's a little bit empty over here right now because it's time to go back on the ship. We were on the other side of the beach and we were out by the pool area too. So I just took a walk over here and just to show you around what it looks like over here. I tell everyone, you go on a cruise that is not an adult only, you can't go wrong if you have kids, because something is there for everyone to enjoy themselves. See, a lot of activities, a lot of things to do out here. So now I'm running back to the ship. Stephen Errol is ahead of me.
Make sure you get that ready. There comes the man. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah. Ready? Get set. Go, 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 go. Jumping in the island. Jumping in the island.
Guys, look at the water, how beautiful it is. Yes, so we're almost back to the ship now. We're heading back to the ship. I had to run a little bit because I didn't want the ship to leave me. Errol and Steve were already up front waiting for me. So come back next year. We really enjoy our vacation. This is our last stop on our cruise. Until next time, next year, same time, same place. Yes, so as I was saying, guys, you got to take some time out your busy schedule, take a vacation. You deserve it. You work hard. You deserve it. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, so live your life. Enjoy some of your money. Don't save all your money in the bank. Enjoy some of it. Spend it on yourself. Independence of the Sea over here, Icon of the Sea over there. Yeah, we are on the Icon of the Sea. Beautiful vacation. It's worth every penny. It was a little bit more on the expensive side compared to what we usually pay, but it worth every dime. It worth all the money. The food is good. Environment is good. It's just a good vibe. A good vibe. Couldn't ask for nothing better. We enjoy every bit of it.